Meaning of hacker.
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 Hacker. A hacker is a person who uses their computer programming and technical skills to gain unauthorized access to systems or networks. The term can also refer to someone who enjoys exploring the limits of what is possible with technology, often through creative problem solving. Hacking can be used for both good and bad purposes, but it is generally associated with illicit activities such as stealing data, spreading viruses, or disrupting computer systems. Some hackers are motivated by curiosity, while others seek financial gain or political power. Overall, hacking is a complex and controversial topic with many different interpretations and perspectives.